Hey there, we're back now for video 3 for the Math 033 project number 1. And I want to take a moment right now to save. I have done all this work, and I will be darned if I'm going to lose it. So I'm going to go up here and click on the little save icon, the little old disk, or you can do Control and S and that'll save. All right, so now it's saved. Awesome. So if my computer freezes up and freaks out on me, I have it saved somewhere. All right. Next, let's look back at the instructions real quickly. It said that it wanted us to, where is it? Oh, here it is. Label a worksheet. We did that. Using Excel, create a 3-column table. We did that. It wants us to do it for each package of candy. I only showed you the instructions for one of the packages, but the other ones would work the exact same way. You just make another table next to the one you already did. While I'm on the subject, I did a larger and a smaller package. So I really should label this, and there's no room to label because of where I put everything. And moreover, this isn't really very pretty. I mean, if I want to submit this to a boss or something, it would help if it looked a little nicer. So I'm going to highlight the table here, and I'm going to go here to the borders menu. I'm going to give everything a border. And then I'm going to go over here, see the center button right here? And I'm going to make everything so all the words and stuff are centered. You don't have to, it's just a way of making things prettier. And I definitely need a label though. So I'm going to go up here to the top row. I'm going to click on the 1. See how the cursor turns into this kind of sideways arrow? If I click on the the number 1, it highlights the whole row. And then I right click and insert. And it'll let me insert a row because I really want like the larger candy package or something like that. That was this one for me. And of course you won't say candy. You'll say M&Ms or Sweet Tarts or whatever it is you're doing. And I want to make this big because this is my title. So I'm going to make it a really big font. So if you see it, I made it size 26. So really good sized. All right, there we go. I have finished it. And I want to make you notice that it asks it in the instructions to fill in the relative frequencies using Excel formulas. Well, that's exactly what we did. This right here, down on 311, that's a formula. Equals sum, right? This up here is the formula bar. So when I'm typing stuff in there, I'm giving it a formula. When I did this, that's a formula. I'm saying take B3, this number right here, and divide it by B8, that cell right there, right? And so you're filling out formulas. And you would do exactly what we did, but for a smaller package of candy over here. All right, smaller candy package. Let me finish that word that way. And then you could fill it out another table over here for that smaller package of candy. Or if you did plain M&Ms and peanut M&Ms or something like that. Okay, so next, let's do the next thing. In the gradient and graphs, complete the following. They want us to make a pie chart, a bar chart, a Pareto chart, and so on. All right, so let's start with the pie chart. And you can do it for either one of them. I'm going to do it for this one over here. So I'm going to highlight. All right, let me reiterate. Highlight the columns right here. And you go up here to the insert button right there. And on the insert, there's all sorts of things you can insert, but you're interested in these guys in the middle. These are the charts. See how they're called charts? And you want this one, a pie chart. So you click on that. And we want this kind of pie chart. He's the only kind of pie chart that's worth it. The rest of them, all no good. All right, we made a pie chart. Woohoo! Okay, so a couple things. First of all, we definitely want percentages labeled on this thing. And second of all, we definitely want titles and stuff like that. Now, I'm not going to have time to finish all that in this video, but I'm going to get you started. So the first thing we want to do is right-click anywhere on the pie chart. And it'll see this, add data labels. That's what you want. There we go. But we don't like them like that. We want to format them a little bit. So we right click on the labels and format data labels. And I want the percentage and I want the category name. That'll give me the color and the percent that goes with it. Then I click close and there they are. All right, I'll be back here to finish up the pie chart in the next video. See you then.